Hazrat Sufyan says, I visited Zuhri, and when asked him about the crime of a woman of Banu Makhzum, he shouted at me. I asked Sufyan, didn't you get this hadith from anybody else? He thereupon replied, I have not heard it from anyone, but I have seen it written in the book of Ayyub bin Musa, in which he has reported from Zuhri, Urwa and Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. A woman from Banu Makhzum committed larceny, so the people said, who will talk to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about her? But nobody dared speak to him. At last Hazrat Usama bin Zaid interceded with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about her, whereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly, when a reputable person amongst Bani Israel committed larceny, they would overlook him, and if a poor committed a theft, they would cut his hand off. But I would have cut even the hand of Fatima if she had done so. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3733.